Compound sentences can feature compound subjects and verbs. Compound subjects share a verb while compound verbs share a subject. This understanding enhances clarity and reduces repetition in writing. A compound subject involves two or more subjects joined by a conjunction sharing the same verb. For instance, Walt Disney and Winston Churchill were both creative and influential. Here, Disney and Churchill are subjects linked by and, illustrating how compound subjects function in sentences. A compound verb consists of two or more verbs connected by a conjunction, sharing the same subject. For instance, in Disney created cartoons and dreamed of new worlds. Created and dreamed are verbs linked by and, both referring to Disney. This structure enhances sentence variety and clarity. Conjunctions like and, or, and nor join compound subjects and verbs, creating smooth connections. Coordinating conjunctions link similar elements, while correlative conjunctions like either, or, and neither nor pair elements for emphasis. For example, neither the book nor the movie was boring illustrates effective use of these conjunctions. When subjects are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closest to it. If the last subject is singular, use a singular verb. If plural, use a plural verb. For example, neither the teachers nor the student was late. Combining sentences with compound verbs or subjects reduces repetition and enhances fluidity. For example, instead of saying Disney created cartoons, he dreamed of new worlds, you can say Disney created cartoons and dreamed of new worlds. This technique streamlines writing, making it more engaging and concise. A sentence can have multiple subjects or verbs without forming a compound sentence. For instance, the teacher and the students arrived, but only the teacher spoke. Here, arrived is shared, while spoke is specific to the teacher. Distinguishing shared from separate actions is crucial for accurate sentence analysis, enhancing clarity and grammar understanding. In sentences, compound subjects or verbs are crucial for clarity. For example, Haru and I enjoy skiing has a compound subject. Snowboarding draws excitement and competition features a compound verb. Recognizing these elements helps in understanding sentence dynamics and enhances grammatical precision. Combining sentences with compound subjects or verbs enhances clarity. For example, snowboarding is popular, skiing is popular, becomes snowboarding and skiing are popular. Similarly, Haru trains every day, Haru competes on weekends. Transforms into Haru trains every day and competes on weekends.